This is lot 1A. It's a GE Monogram side-by-side refrigerator freezer. 42 by 84, manufactured in 2026. Retails for $13,500. Includes ice maker, an external water and ice dispenser. It has internal LED lights and is stainless steel. Take a look inside. You see it's nice and cold. Has a special express chill and thaw functions. That's the refrigerator. The freezer side has the ice maker. As you can see, there is ice in it. It's got really cool LED backlighting. And here's your dispenser. There you go, needs a new home.